So like if you really own a clothing brand, you need to start selling on Temu, bro. Like to be honest, bro, start selling on Temu right now so you guys can like explode and expand, bro. And by the way, you need to pay and you need to follow like with the Temu guidelines, merchant guidelines. And I'll show you guys how like we're gonna step into like step by step. I'll show you guys how to register your business to Temu so that way you can sell on Temu. You feel me? And without further ado, go ahead and subscribe if you guys are new and drop a like. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so if you guys, I'm pretty sure most of you guys know, already familiar with Temu, right? And I'm just gonna go this straight to the point, bro. I'm not gonna waste nobody's time, and I won't waste your time too. So basically, so first and foremost, you're gonna need to head into the first link in descriptions, and which will be this one right here, kajinpeduodo.com/login/register. So basically, once you register to this, I'm gonna have it on a screen somewhere here so you guys can see exactly point by point. I'm gonna have like a screenshot. So when you guys are on this page right here, so you're gonna log in, welcome, register, and log in here. I'm pretty sure you will need a China phone number. It's neither China phone number or a China, you know, China zip code to start with this because my I already tried to log in. It wasn't going through. I'm pretty sure there's like any method you guys can go through and you guys can find a way, you know, to get in it. You feel me? But so once you log in here, you set up everything. You're gonna see this right here. So once you sign up and everything, all right, you're gonna sign up as a cross border seller. And then once you sign up, you should see like this page right here in English. By the way, this is just in Chinese, but this gonna be like in English on your side because you can change it the language to translate, and then they have like English options. I already went into. I was like just on a call with customer service with Temu. So basically, you just need to put in any image right here. Just basically just importing your business information and IDs right here. All right. So here, once you put in almost everything here, we're gonna move on to like what they're gonna need is oversee proof of business registration and such of a ID of a legal representative or passport, driver license, anything like that, and brand qualification documents, all the stuff, authorized letters, all the stuff, and then the step three are to complete and get approved for your store. All right, this here is where you create your store profile, and most people will see when they come shop on a Temu, they'll see this profile on your within the Temu app, and here's how to shop it. All right. So once you hear this, is step three, by the way, and then four, step four, this will take like around like 3 days or 4 days ish. All right, the process will take 3 days. How you gonna see this? Access Temu seller center dashboard. All right, so once you access the Temu seller dashboard here, you can literally go in there and create. You can go in there and create. Once you get approved and you're in here, they will show you. There's like a walking through tutorial, like how you guys can add a product, how you guys can import the descriptions, almost all that stuff. They will have almost like step by step guide how to go through it. And then basically that's it for the video. And if you guys have any questions relating to open up a store about Timu, just hit me up on my Instagram, and I'm pretty sure I will let you guys know, what documents they need and all that stuff. If you already have a tax ID, your EIN number, all that stuff, and you already have your own brand, you should be ready to go. And I will leave an email. I'll leave an email on a screen somewhere, so you guys can email Timu, and you guys can email. You guys can talk back and forth through them, and that will be it for the video. I hope this video helps, and if you guys have any questions, any future video you guys want to see to this channel, make sure you comment down below, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.